So welcome to all of you in the Advanced Grammar Day, and today we are going to discuss very important topic from the grammatical point of view, that is called the gerunds and infinitives, right? So have you idea about the gerunds and infinitives? Have you ever heard this term before?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Padma.
I think I'm not sure when a word which is used as noun as well as verb is called gerund. I'm not sure.
Okay. And what about infinitives?
Infinitives means it doesn't change its form, ma'am. Other forms may change its form.
Okay.
For example, to play, to eat, to drink.
Okay.
It is used, the verb is used along with preposition to.
Preposition to. Okay. Okay, good. Any more inputs?
Verb with ing form.
Verb with ing form. That is called the.
Yes.
That is called the
Gerunds.
gerunds.
Yes.
Sunil,
It's used as a noun.
Sunil, the verb with ing form. I am playing football.
Are this what is as a noun?
It's used as a noun.
Yes, that you should mention, because if you only say the verb with ing, so then the question will come, I am playing football. So in this case, according to you, playing is a gerund. No, but it's a verb. It's a simple verb. You can say it's a present participle. Grammatically, we say the present participle. So now, before starting gerunds and infinitive, there is one very important topic. What is the difference between present participle and gerunds? What is the difference?
Ma'am, I can say as a playing is a good for health. Playing is a good for health.
Playing is good for health. So, but now the question is, if you say कि gerunds क्या होते हैं? The verbs with ing. That is called the gerunds. And what is present participle? That is also the same, the verbs with ing. That is also the present participle. But now the question is how to differentiate कि if a sentence is coming in front of you, कि whether it is a gerund or whether it is a present participle.
We can segregate the sentence. Excuse me, I want to.
Yes.
If we are using the sentence according to the usage in the sentence, if it is doing the verb work, then it is called verb. If it is denoting a noun name, then it is a
gerund. So it means Padma, you are saying that if it acts as a noun, so it always comes in the starting of the sentence, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It always comes in the starting of the sentence.
And verb comes in the middle or in the end of the sentence.
Verb comes in the end of the sentence also.
Sometimes, mostly it comes in the middle along with helping verb, is, am, are.
Okay. But you are saying that the verb which acts as a noun always comes in the starting of the sentence.
Starting of the sentence. Right? In the subject part. In the subject part.
Okay, I got your point. But today we are going to discuss some different sentences. Okay. So it means don't block your mind कि always अगर वो आपका verb plus ing comes in the beginning, so it is a gerund, and if it is comes in the end, it is a verb. Okay, अभी तक सिर्फ यही mindset चल रहा है, right? Okay, hi Archana.
Hi ma'am.
Yes, Archana, we are just started. We are just discussing about the gerunds and infinitives. Okay, so now I'm going to start. So first, the topic is how to differentiate between the gerunds and the present participle. Because gerunds का नाम आते ही हमारे माइंड में क्या आता है? Gerunds क्या होते हैं? The verbs with ing. That is the gerunds. और present participle भी क्या होता है? The verbs with ing. So now the question is how to differentiate between the present participle and the gerunds. Okay. Okay, so gerunds versus present participle. Gerunds versus present participle. Now, there are the two types of participle. Present participle and the past participle. We know there are the two types of participle, present and past. Present participle कौन से participle होते हैं? which ends with ing. The verbs which ends with ing, that is called the present participle. मतलब grammatically we have to assign one name. And the verb का third form को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Past participle.
Past participle.
Now, gerunds और present participle दोनों ही क्या होते हैं? हमारे verbs होते हैं. gerunds भी verbs होते हैं, present participle भी verbs होते हैं. दोनों ही, कमाल की बात तो ये है, दोनों ही end होते हैं किससे? both ends with ing. Both ends with ing. gerunds भी ends with ing, present participle also ends with ing. But this is very important. If the gerunds जो ing से जो होता है, how to identify the gerund? The verbs that ends with ing, that acts as a verbal noun, or you can say that acts as a noun, that acts as a noun. और present participle जो होता है, that is called the adjectives, that acts as an adjectives. होते ये verbs हैं, होते ये verbs हैं. देखो प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल भी दो वे की तरह काम करता है. एक तो सिंपली वर्ब की तरह काम करता है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम प्लेइंग फुटबॉल. In this sentence, playing is a present participle and it acts as a verb. It acts as a verb. But sometimes present participle acts as an adjective. Acts as an adjective. तो present participle दो तरीके से काम करता है. It acts as a verb also. It acts as an adjective also. दोनों ही ये ing से end होते हैं. Okay? जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम बोरिंग. I am boring. Now in this sentence, what is boring?
Adjective, ma'am.
Adjective. I am playing. What is play?
Adjective.
No. In
Sorry,
this
sorry.
case,
Verb.
verb. In this case, it acts as a verb. But I am boring may it acts as an adjective.
For example, I am happy. Happy is adjective, no, ma'am? Yes.
हाँ, happy is an adjective, but here अभी Padma, we are talking about the verbs that end with ing. अभी हमारा main focus है सिर्फ ing के ऊपर.
Okay.
अब now forget about that verbs. जो playing है, eating है, अभी we are not talking about that. अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं simple difference between the noun and the adjectives. Nouns को हम grammatically terms में बोल देंगे gerunds. The verbs with ing, that is called the gerunds. The verbs with ing, that is called the participles. Participles act करेगा as an adjective. Gerunds act करेगा as a noun. Gerunds acts as a noun. Dancing. What is dancing? एकदम से दिमाग में आया, अरे डांस है, डांस के साथ ing लगा दिया. So ये क्या होना चाहिए? This should be the verb. This should be the verb. ठीक है? Sentence आ रहा है, dancing is my hobby. Dancing is my hobby. अब यहाँ पर जो dancing है, that acts as a subject. Which subject? क्या मेरी hobby है? What is my hobby? Dance.
That is noun.
So that is a subject. That is the subject of this sentence. और जैसे ही वो subject बन गया, वो क्या बन जाएगा हमारा? Noun. Noun. Noun का क्या characteristics हैं? What comes in place of noun? The noun can be acts as a subject. The noun can be acts as an object also. सिर्फ it is not mandatory कि the noun is always becomes a subject. Subject means कि starting of the sentence. No, noun can be an object also. अगर मैं बोलती हूँ I like dancing. I like dancing. So dancing here, it becomes an object. It becomes an object. जैसे ही object बन गया तो again ये क्या बन गया? It becomes a noun. It becomes a noun. So it's a gerund. Grammatically इसको हम बोलेंगे gerunds. अगर मैं बोलती हूँ I dance. So what is dance here?
Dance is verb.
Verb. Then dance becomes the verb. Then dance becomes the verb. because it is not mandatory कि verb always comes with ing. अगर मैं बोलती हूँ I am dancing, then
Verb
Same
only,
as,
ma'am.
as a verb.
Verb.
then
Verb,
it's a verb.
Verb.
Now, the dancing parrot entertained the crowd. The dancing parrot entertained the crowd. Now,
Adjective.
adjective, because here we are talking about the quality of a parrot. What type of parrot? Dancing parrot.
Dancing parrot.
तो अब here we are talking about the quality of a parrot. जब भी हम quality की बात करते हैं, it always becomes the adjective. So in this sentence, it becomes, you can also say the adjective or you can also say the present participle. But ये वो tense वाला present participle नहीं है, ये ध्यान रखना. That is different, this is different. Okay? Here you can say it is an adjective. Adjective. Traveling. Traveling.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening, Ruby. How are you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm fine.
Very good, very good. Ruby, we have just started the gerunds and infinitives.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, abhi we are just talking about the gerunds, ki how to identify what are the gerunds. Now read this sentence. Traveling makes me tired. Traveling
Traveling is
makes
the
me
noun.
tired. हाँ, so traveling becomes a subject. Traveling becomes a sub. देखो अगर travel, देखो travel वैसे क्या है? What is travel? Which part of speech is travel? Travel is a verb.
Verb.
Travel is a verb. बट अगर ट्रैवल को आपको एज अ नाउन की तरह यूज करना है तो आप इसको कैसे यूज करोगे? बाय पुटिंग आईएनजी. या तो इसको सब्जेक्ट की जगह लेके आओ या इसको ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह लेके आओ, देन इट कैन एक्ट एज अ नाउन. तो सिंपल what we can say in simple terms, if you want to use a verb as a subject or as an object, then you have to put ing. और आईएनजी पुट करने के बाद या तो उसको सब्जेक्ट की तरह यूज करो या उसको ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह यूज करो. सो ग्रामेटिकली वी कैन से इट इज अ gerund. So traveling makes me tired. Traveling is a subject. My brother enjoys traveling. Then don't get confused कि यहाँ पर traveling जो है वो present participle हो गया, ing लग गया तो it is a present participle. No, in this sentence also the traveling is a noun. Because it acts as an object. मैं क्या enjoy करता हूँ? If you will get the answer, मैं क्या enjoy करता हूँ? मैं traveling enjoy करता हूँ. If you will get the answer, that becomes a noun. Traveling salesman arrived in a town. सुनील क्या लग रहा है? क्या है ये?
Adjective, ma'am.
Adjective है. Very good. Because here we are talking about the quality of a salesman. What type of salesman? Traveling salesman. So adjective भी आप कह सकते हो और you can say the present participle. Okay. ये तो छोड़ो ये. चलो जी बताओ. Robert enjoys driving. जो रेड कलर से हाईलाइटेड है, you have to tell that. What is that?
Gerund.
Gerund, ma'am. Noun.
This is a
Gerund.
Noun.
Gerund.
this is a gerund or present participle. इसमें से बताना है आपको.
Gerund.
Gerund. It is a gerund. Yes, because what the Robert enjoys, you will get the direct object that is called driving. So it becomes a gerund. Archana, cycling is a great way to get fit.
Ma'am,
Gerund. Yes, Ruby?
what is meaning by gerund?
Gerund का मतलब
Gerund.
होता है Ruby, the verb with ing form, the verb with ये रूबी का कैमरा उल्टा क्यों दिख रहा है? मुझे दिख रहा है, सबको दिख रहा है?
नहीं उल्टा ही है.
सबको उल्टा
रूबी
दिख रहा है.
आपका उल्टा दिख रहा है. आप उल्टे दिख रहे हो हमें. सीधा करो
मैम
कैमरा.
अभी ठीक हो गया.
आप ठीक हो गया. तो रूबी gerund का मतलब होता है the verb with ing but that acts as a noun. The verb with ing that X as a noun, noun को bracket में करके लिखो subject as well as an object. That is called the gerund. So Archana, in this sentence, cycling is a great way to get fit. This is a gerund.
Gerund.
Yes, Indrani.
My annoying neighbor being too much in there. It's present participle, ma'am.
This is present participle. Very nice. How? Because
Is
here we are
annoying.
talking-
Neighbor is annoying. Yes.
Annoying, annoying. ING aa raha hai. Annoying. So here it is a present participle. Yes, Padma, roller coaster are terrifying.
It is not clear, ma'am. Excuse me. Roller coaster are terrifying. Gerund.
This is gerund.
Sorry, verb, ma'am. Verb.
Present participle.
Present
Verb,
participle.
present
मतलब
participle.
सबने अपना एक एक बोल दिया, एक ने gerund बोल दिया, एक ने verb बोल दिया, एक ने present
No,
participle
ma'am,
बोल दिया.
this is
हाँ.
present participle.
This is
Present
present
participle.
participle. Okay, how?
This coaster, how is the coaster? That's a terrifying coaster.
Very good. This is an adjective because here we are talking about describing the roller coaster.
Hmm.
So that is
Describing-
adjective.
So this is an adjective. This is an
Gerund only.
This
Sorry.
is an adjective. Adjective का मतलब present participle.
Present participle.
उसमें ऑप्शन में आपने एग्जेक्टिव नहीं दिया ना मैम, इसलिए कंफ्यूज हो गए.
अरे adjective का मतलब है present participle.
हाँ, present.
Adjective का मतलब ही present participle है. Okay, बताओ. Ruby,
Yes, ma'am.
any spent a relaxing day. एक तो तुम्हारा कैमरा इतना उल्टा सीधा है. चलो कोई बात नहीं, बताओ. Any spent a relaxing day. Ruby, the
Ma'am,
screen- हाँ बोलो.
मैम अभी हुआ ठीक.
तुमने तो पूरा 360 डिग्री पे घुमा दिया कैमरा. हाँ, अब ठीक है.
अभी हुआ.
अब तो बिल्कुल ही, अब तो गायब ही हो गए रूबी स्क्रीन से.
अभी हो गया.
हाँ, बेटर है. चलो अब इसका आंसर करो. एनी स्पेंड अ रिलैक्सिंग डे.
Gerund, ma'am.
Gerund. Sunil, is Ruby right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. I think it's a gerund.
Archana, is Sunil right?
No, ma'am. This is adjective, present participle.
Present participle.
This is a present participle. Sunil and Ruby, why you guys are getting confused here? What type of day? Here we are talking about the day. Here we are talking about
yes,
describe the
ma'am.
day. हम day को describe कर रहे हैं. So it becomes a present participle. What type of day? Relaxing day. Any spent a tiring day. What type of day? Tiring. So then it becomes
Tiring.
present participle. Flying makes me nervous. Indrani.
It's a gerund, ma'am.
It's a gerund. It's a gerund. Very good because it acts as a noun. Padma.
Yes, ma'am. I hate washing dirty clothes. It is a verb. It is acting as verb, ma'am. I hate washing dirty clothes. Present participle.
Present participle. It's a noun. It's a direct noun. It's a gerund. It's a direct noun. I hate. मैं क्या hate करती हूँ?
Type of watching that it.
Washing. मेरे को direct object मिल रहा है. What I hate, washing.
Okay.
So then it becomes a gerund. It is not a present participle, Archana, because here we are not talking about the quality of any dirty dishes. We are not talking about the quality. Here we are talking about the direct object. So direct object means, or the subject means the noun. Noun means the gerunds.
लेकिन आप बोले ना मैडम, सब्जेक्ट या ऑब्जेक्ट के पार्ट में आएगा जरंड करके बोले थे ना, ये बीच में आया.
नहीं तो जरूरी थोड़ी है. देखो, two things you have to keep into your mind. Noun जो है verb plus ing acts as a noun. Noun के bracket में लिखो, it means the subject or the direct object. Subject mainly comes in the beginning of the sentence. But direct objects can become anywhere in the sentence. It can become in the middle. It can become at the end. That you should know. I hate washing dirty dishes. In this sentence, washing acts as a present participle. Right? आज का टॉपिक थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी होने जा रहा है. But guys, trust me, अगर आपको आज का टॉपिक क्लियर हो गया, तो you guys are able to make sentences in a very good way. अभी कहाँ है? अभी हमारा दिमाग यही चलता है. I hate washing. देखने में सुनने में अजीब सा लग रहा है ये.
Ma'am, I hate washing dirty dishes is a gerund, no?
No, it's a gerund. नहीं,
It's a gerund.
yes, because it is a sorry.
It's an object. Yes,
It's
it's
an
object.
object. Sorry, I told the present participle. Yes, I hate washing. Washing is a gerund.
Gerund.
Washing is a gerund here. Indrani, what I am trying to say, dear, अगर ये आप sentence पढ़ोगे ना, I hate washing dirty dishes. सुनने में बोलने में थोड़ा सा अजीब सा लगता है. क्योंकि
Actually, I hate washing.
हाँ.
I hate washing. Washing
I
is the
hate
object.
washing बस. लेकिन आप
Yes.
उसमें washing में don't confuse कि washing is a verb. Don't say washing is a verb. Because it is a direct object. मैं क्या hate करती हूँ? मैं hate करती हूँ wash करना. Wash is a verb. Wash is a verb, but it ends with ing. But here it acts as a direct object.
And a noun.
ठीक है?
Ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am,
हाँ जी,
ma'am,
बोलो.
can you go with this last sentence? That was last from this.
Last from this मतलब previous from this.
Yes, ma'am. Then more clear to us. Previous from this. Flying makes me nervous.
This one.
Yeah, relaxing. Yes, ma'am. And I spent a relaxing day.
हाँ. अब देखो सुनील, इसमें we are talking about the day. We are describing the day. What type of day?
Yes,
Relaxing.
relaxing.
अब don't be confused कि ing लग गया तो it is a verb. It is not a verb here.
नहीं, it's a adjective.
It's an
first.
adjective. Adjective बोलो,
Then
present participle बोलो, both are same.
Then it's a present participle.
It's a present participle because we are talking about the day.
Yes, but washing is not a adjective.
नहीं, washing is not an adjective. Why? Because in this sentence, washing, we are talking about the direct. मैं क्या hate करती हूँ? अब here we are not talking about the quality of the dirty dishes. Dishes की तो quality dirty बता रहे हैं ना? Dirty is also an adjective.
Actually,
Dirty is an adjective.
Yes, dirty is an adjective.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
but
Dirty
washing
is
is
adjective.
not an adjective. Washing is a direct object.
Or direct gerund.
हाँ,
Yes.
direct object का मतलब है
Direct.
gerund है ये. This is a
Direct.
gerund. This is a gerund.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Now be ready for the rules. I have made all type of rules of the gerunds. ठीक है, बस इतना कर लेना बहुत है gerunds और infinitives के लिए. So be ready. ठीक है, देखो थोड़ा सा जो टॉपिक है little bit tricky लगेगा, but I will share the whole PDFs recording. So please go through with it 2 times, 3 times. And after that, we will do one assessment also in today's session. So सबसे पहले आप देखो क्वेश्चन क्या आता है कि मैम ये तो आपने बता दिया कि क्या नाम है, जीनर्स जो हैं वो बिगनिंग में आने चाहिए, इन्फिनिटिव्स जो होते हैं वो 2. अब देखो जीरंड्स और अब नाउ द टॉपिक इज जीरंड्स एंड इन्फिनिटिव्स. जीरंड्स क्या होते हैं? वर्ब्स विद ing. एंड इन्फिनिटिव्स क्या होते हैं? 2 plus mother. 2 plus mother verb. Suppose run है. What is the gerund of run?
Running.
Very
Running.
good. Running. What is infinitive of run?
To run.
To run. What is walk? Walk का gerund बनाओ.
Walking.
Walking.
Walk.
What is the infinitive of walk?
To walk.
To walk. Jump. What is the gerund of jump?
Jumping.
Jumping. What is the infinitive of jump?
To
To
jump.
jump.
To jump. यहाँ तक clear है कि how to make the gerunds, how to make the infinitive. This is clear, right? Now, the rule number 1, there are the 5 rules. If you really want to get the mastery over on this subject, so you must know these 5 rules. Guys, the first rule is, the screen is visible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
The
Yes.
first rule is gerunds can be used as a subject of a sentence. Gerunds को हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? सब्जेक्ट की जगह पर. सब्जेक्ट का मतलब होता है सेंटेंस के बिगनिंग. जैसे वॉकिंग इज गुड फॉर हेल्थ. वॉकिंग, in this sentence walk acts as a noun. Walk acts as a noun, so it becomes a gerund. Making friends has become more difficult since I moved to a new city. Again, making friends, making is a gerund. Second rule आता है, both gerunds and infinitives can be used as an object of a sentence. अब इसको देखो, इसको हम subject को भी हम use कर सकते थे. Instead of saying walking is good for health, you can also say to walk is good for health. This is also okay. This is also okay. But हम mostly क्या use करते हैं? Gerunds use करते हैं at the time of subject. Mostly at the time of speaking, at the time of writing, we use the gerunds when we used in the form of subjects. But we can use both gerunds and infinitives as an object. For example, I enjoy drawing. What is gerund here?
Drawing.
Drawing. You can also say, yesterday I decided to draw. What is infinitive here?
To
To
draw.
draw.
To draw. Drawing acts as an subject or drawing acts as an object?
Object.
Object. Very good. What is to draw?
Infinity.
Infinitive.
Infinitive तो है, but that acts as a subject or an object?
Object.
Object. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले तो ये clear होना चाहिए कि object की तरह use हो रहा है, ये subject की तरह use हो रहा है. Okay, now my question is to Archana. Archana,
Ma'am,
हाँ, Sunil. Yes.
I have a question.
Hmm.
In previous slide and last sentence, can you comment?
सुनिए, तुम previous slide से बड़ा वो करते हो. Previous तो मेरे को
just
भी बहुत
a minute.
मालूम है.
One question.
हाँ, तुम बोलो मेरे को
that
पता
is,
है वो slide. हाँ, बोलो. Sentence बोलो.
In that sentence, present participle is used as a, I think, washing, but that is not used as a verb.
I
You got my
hate
point?
washing. I hate washing में
Washing.
washing acts as a gerund. Gerund का मतलब है that acts as a noun. Don't act as a use as a verb. वहां पर वो verb की तरह use नहीं हुआ है.
Then this from this previous the question with me
हाँ.
as a
अगर आप सिंपल बोलते हो ना सुनील, I am washing dirty dishes. I am washing dirty
मैम
dishes.
इससे पिछला सेंटेंस था जो मेरे साथ था कि उस दिन क्या था मैम?
Annie spent a relaxing day.
Relaxing day.
हाँ.
Then that is present participle.
Yes.
But that is not used as a verb.
Verb तो होगा ही नहीं. We are not talking about the verb. We are only talking about the two things, either noun or adjectives.
As from previous classes, I learned that हम previous पिछली classes में ये पढ़ते आए कि present participle is used as a verb.
Sunil, वही तो मैंने in the beginning of the session I told the same thing ना, कि earlier we learned this thing कि present participle वो tense वाला present participle है जब हम verb के साथ ing लगाते हैं. Like for example, okay, write down 3 examples. 3 examples लिखो एक बार, ज़्यादा clear होगा. Write down. I hate washing dirty dishes. I hate washing dirty dishes. Washing is not my hobby. Washing is not my hobby. I am washing dirty dishes. I am washing dirty dishes. तीनों केसेस में washing आ रहा है. तीनों sentences में washing is coming. First sentence बताओ सुनील, क्या है इसके अंदर?
First में मैम adjective है और वो present participle.
In the first sentence, this is not acts as an adjective because in this sentence, we are not talking about the quality of the dishes. We are talking about the
It's
what I hate. What I hate. If you will get the answer, what I hate, I hate washing. If you will get the answer, what I hate, answer आ गया washing. So it becomes an object. जैसे ही ये object हो गया,
when
ये
it's
क्या बन जाएगा? ये gerund बन जाएगा. It becomes a gerund. Now read the second sentence.
washing is not my hobby.
हाँ, क्या हुआ? ये washing is not my hobby. Then in this sentence,
It's a gerund.
it's a
direct
gerund because it acts as a subject.
gerund as a noun.
Subject. Noun की
And
तरह.
as a subject. As a
हाँ,
subject.
next पढ़ो.
I am, and third sentence है, I am washing dirty dishes.
हाँ, then in this sentence,
I am washing dirty dishes.
हाँ,
Then
Verb, ma'am. It is acting
as a
as
verb.
verb.
it is acting as a verb.
Acting as a
It acts as a verb. It acts as a verb क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक क्रिया हो रही है.
then
हाँ,
तो एक तरफ हम कर रहे हैं कि gerund है, दूसरी तरफ है हमारा
present
adjective
participle.
और present
हाँ,
participle.
present participle और adjectives both are same.
और
प्रेजेंट
वो,
पार्टिसिपल के देखो दो मतलब होते हैं इंग्लिश ग्रामर में. एक होता है जब वो वर्ब के साथ वर्ब की तरह एक्ट करता है, जो टेंसेस में हम यूज करते हैं. कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस हम जब यूज करते हैं. आई
तो
एम
हम कह रहे हैं,
हाँ,
तो हम कह रहे हैं कि दोनों ही वर्ब की तरह यूज नहीं होते, प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल भी और जेरेंड भी.
हाँ,
हम उसी के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं.
हाँ, हम उसके बारे में पढ़ रहे थे इन द फर्स्ट स्लाइड.
नाउ आई गॉट.
ठीक है,
now I
नाउ यू
got.
गॉट कि
Yes,
हम
sir.
वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट, हम वो टेंस वाला प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल की बात ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पर हम कॉन्टिन्यूएशन की बात
Yes.
ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम यहाँ पर बात कर रहे हैं द वर्ब दैट एक्ट्स एज अ नाउन. नाउन की तरह एक्ट कर रहा है तो उसको हम gerund बोल रहे हैं. इफ द वर्ब एक्ट्स एज एन एडजेक्टिव तो उसको हम प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल बोल रहे हैं.
Present participle.
ठीक है, अब नेक्स्ट टॉपिक
Okay,
अब
okay.
हमारे हैं gerunds और इन्फिनिटिव्स के ऊपर. gerunds क्या होते हैं? वर्ब प्लस ing. और इन्फिनिटिव्स क्या होते हैं? टू प्लस बेस फॉर्म. डू प्लस बेस फॉर्म. अब देखो, द सेंटेंस इज आई एंजॉय ड्राइविंग. दिस इज अ राइट सेंटेंस. और आई एंजॉय टू ड्राइव इज अ राइट सेंटेंस. कौन सा राइट होगा?
First one, ma'am.
फर्स्ट वन इज राइट होगा. क्यों होगा?
Both are right.
बोथ आर राइट.
Both are right.
I love to eat pizza. This is a right sentence. Yeah, I love eating pizza. This is a right sentence.
Both are right.
Both are
right. Okay, write on two sentences, guys. चलो भी आएंगे अभी ना. मैं थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज नहीं करूंगी, थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगा. धीरे धीरे करके चलते हैं अभी हम.
हाँ मैम, रूल
हाँ, रूल्स के साथ करते हैं. रूल्स के साथ करते हैं बिकॉज
हाँ,
रूल्स आर
yes,
वेरी
ma'am.
इंपॉर्टेंट. तो
Yes.
फर्स्ट रूल इज क्लियर कि gerunds कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ सब्जेक्ट. सेकेंड रूल क्या कहते हैं? बोथ द gerunds एंड infinitives कैन बी यूज्ड एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट. I enjoy drawing. In this sentence, drawing acts as a gerund that acts as an object. In the second sentence, I decided to draw. In this sentence, draw is an infinitive that acts as an object. अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि भैया मेरे को I enjoy drawing लिखना है या I decided to draw लिखना है? This is a question. Some verbs require the gerund and some verbs require the verb. अब ये कैसे पता चलेगा? gerunds और infinitive से पहले जो आप verbs यूज कर रहे हो ना, वो verbs आपको याद होनी चाहिए. Whatever the verbs you are using before the gerunds and infinitives, that verbs you must know beforehand. Whenever the verb enjoy is coming, जब भी verb enjoy आएगा, उसके साथ rule है कि always the gerund will come. This is a rule. And whenever the decide verb will come, whatever the tense, I am deciding, I decided, I have decided, it hardly matters. But if the verb decide will come, उसके बाद always you have to put the infinitive. This is a rule. I enjoy to draw a circle. This is a right sentence. Or I enjoy drawing a circle. This is a right sentence.
I enjoy to drawing circle.
To draw a circle. बोलते हैं ना अर्चना, but अर्चना this is wrong. Because enjoy word लगते ही क्या बन जाएगा? अब आपको क्या यूज करना था?
ing.
enjoy drawing.
I enjoy drawing.
Ma'am, how will understand that which one is required gerund and which one is
ये
required to
इंद्रानी, ये
infinitive?
कुछ वर्ब्स हैं जो आपको याद करने पड़ेंगे, बहुत ज्यादा वर्ब्स नहीं है, लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ वर्ब्स हैं दैट यू शुड लर्न। मैंने लिस्ट बनाई है, जितना वर्ब्स याद
Okay.
कर लो बहुत है, बट जो मेन वर्ब्स है ना उसके मैंने एग्जांपल्स लिए हैं। अब ये
Okay,
ध्यान
ma'am.
रखना, हम हमेशा बोलते हैं आई एंजॉय टू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल, but this is grammatically wrong. You always say I enjoy drawing a circle. Clear this thing,
Yes.
everyone? Ruby,
Yes, ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ruby?
Oh, मैम थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज है।
Ma'am, that means draw is the common verb where we use as a gerund and also as a infinitive.
हाँ, draw को तो आप as a verb gerund की तरह यूज करो, infinitive की तरह यूज करो। gerund की तरह यूज करना है तो ing लगा दो, infinitive की तरह यूज करना है तो to लगा दो, ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह यूज करना है तो एंड में लगा दो, सब्जेक्ट की तरह यूज करना है तो बिफोर लगा दो, बट हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ऑब्जेक्ट।
The verb.
हाँ,
Actually,
हाँ,
when we have to
हाँ,
find
both
out
are
the
verbs.
verb.
हाँ, draw is a verb, but it acts as a noun here. अब यहाँ पर दोनों केसेस में नाउन की तरह काम करती हैं, whether we are talking about the gerunds, whether we are talking about the infinitives, the verbs acts as a noun. नाउन की तरह काम कर रही है यहाँ पर, अब ये वर्ब की तरह काम नहीं कर रहा है, ठीक है?
Okay.
So that means infinitives are also act as noun, ma'am.
हाँ, infinitives and gerunds both acts as a noun. दोनों ही नाउन की तरह काम कर रहे हैं, जस्ट द वे ऑफ फॉर्मेशन है, क्योंकि कुछ verbs, there are some verbs by with that verbs you can only use gerunds, and there are some verbs with which you can use only infinitives.
तो infinitives को verb नहीं कह सकते, मैम?
देखो क्या होता है ना पद्मा, इन्फिनिटिव्स होते वर्ब्स फॉर्म्स ही हैं, लेकिन वो एक्ट करते हैं नाउन की तरह, एक्ट करते हैं नाउन की तरह, समझ रहे हो तुम? कहलाते हैं उनको वर्ब्स ही हैं, नाम तो इन्फिनिटिव वर्ब्स हैं, बट उनका जो काम होता है वो नाउन की तरह हो जाता। वर्ब का मतलब होता है वो कोई क्रिया नहीं कर रहे हैं। Rule number 3, infinitive should be used after many adjectives. Whenever we talk about the adjectives, सुनील अब ये सिंपल वाले adjectives हैं, उसके बाद हमारे को मोस्टली क्या यूज करना है? Infinitives. रूल है ये, this is a rule. Like for example, it is not easy to graduate from university. What is the adjective in this sentence? Can anyone tell?
See,
Easy.
Easy is
Easy is
an
the easy.
adjective. Adjective के बाद क्या आएगा? क्या रूल है?
Noun.
नाउन तो आएगा, बट कैसा नाउन? जिरन वाला नाउन या इन्फिनिटिव वाला नाउन?
Infinitive.
Infinitive वाला noun.
You
Infinitive.
cannot say it is not easy graduating from university. This is wrong. It is necessary to speak English. It is necessary. Speaking English is wrong. It is wonderful to have close friends. It is wonderful having close friends is wrong. Right? I have made some more adjectives also, जैसे too big. जैसे जब बस इतना रूल याद रखो कि whenever the adjectives will come, उसके बाद आपको infinitives use करने. You always use the infinitives after the adjectives. Rule number 3. Next rule, very important rule. Only infinitives are used after certain verbs followed by the nouns or pronouns referring to a person. ये देखो ये
Ma'am,
चार verbs.
Can you make it a little larger the screen?
अब मैं इसका ये नीचे वाले भी नहीं दिख रहे, रूल नंबर 5 भी विजिबल नहीं है.
No, number 4B. Very
नंबर
small.
4 तो मैं बता रही हूँ, नंबर 4 में just write down number, although I will share this PDF. नंबर 4 में लिखो ask, expect, hire, invite. ये कुछ verbs हैं जिनके बाद हमेशा क्या आएगा? आपके infinitives आएंगे.
Only infinitives are used after certain verbs.
हाँ, वो लिखो, वो कौन सी verbs हैं? ask, expect, hire, invite. Rule number 5 is very important. What is the rule number 5 is saying? Rule number 5 is saying only the gerunds are used after prepositions. Whenever the prepositions will come, you always use the gerunds. Only the one exceptional case is there, that is called but. But ke baad you can use infinitives. Like for example, I talked him out of taking that job. I talked him out of taking that job. Now, what is the preposition in this sentence? Of. So after of, you have to put the gerund taking. You cannot use I talked him out of to take that job. This is wrong. Write on one sentence. My mom is scared.
Ma'am, rule number 5. Show me.
I'm saying, write down what is the rule number 5. Only the gerunds will come after prepositions. Only the gerunds will come after prepositions.
Gerunds are used after preposition. Only exception is but.
But only exception is but. Now I'm giving one sentence. My mother is scared of dash. My mother is scared of dash. Verb hai aapka fly. F-L-Y, fly. अब now the sentence क्या होगा? My mother is scared of to fly or my mother is scared of flying?
Flying.
Flying.
Why flying?
Flying.
Why flying?
Preposition है of.
Yes, very good.
Of is
Because
preposition.
preposition is giving. Preposition is giving off. तो off के बाद एकदम क्या आ जाएगा आपका? ing. Sunil, any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, write down one sentence. She is thinking, देखो, she is thinking about dash bracket में लिखो take.
What, ma'am?
She is thinking about
Last one.
thinking about dash bracket में लिखो try try martial arts. क्या आना चाहिए?
Trying.
Trying martial art.
Trying.
Because about is a preposition. About is a preposition. Now Sunil will tell, I have an interest in dash become a coach. क्या आना चाहिए? In becoming a coach. I have an interest in becoming a coach. Why? Because in is a preposition. So this is very important rule कि whenever the preposition will come, you always use gerunds. Only the case is but. But का देखो मैंने एक example लिखा है. I had no choice but to follow her. I had no choice but to follow her. You cannot say I had no choice but following her. Following her is wrong. You have to use to. Only but is a preposition with which you can use infinitive. Now, this is a list of verbs that attracts the gerunds. Enjoy, avoid, hate, mind, deny. ये सारे verbs ऐसे हैं जो gerunds को attract करता है. Gerunds को attract करने का मतलब क्या है?
Gerund लगता है.
Yes, कि इसके बाद always you have to put the gerunds. I don't enjoy talking to her. She avoids arguing with me. She doesn't mind cleaning the room. She denied stealing money. ये गाइस, ये अब आपको याद करने हैं, ये वर्ब्स आपको याद करने हैं। एंजॉय, अवॉइड, हेट, माइंड, डिनाई।
Only 5 men.
नहीं, और भी हैं थोड़े बहुत, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ब्स हैं, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ब्स हैं। ये हैं लिस्ट, ये लिस्ट ऑफ द वर्ब्स हैं जो अट्रैक्ट करती हैं इन्फिनेटिव्स को, that attracts infinitives। ये सारे verbs आपको याद करने हैं जिनके बाद always you have to put the infinitives। List of the adjectives attract infinitives। ये सारे verbs हैं, ये सारे adjectives हैं आपके जो किसको attract करते हैं, infinitives। Unable, unable, ये सब क्या है आपके, these are all the adjectives।
The previous one was that is also
Verb.
वो verb
verb,
से,
that
वो
is
verb से,
list of verbs.
ये
अच्छा, अच्छा।
adjectives हैं, these are the adjectives। So these are the adjectives, like for example, I am able to lift this weight। I am able to lift। Able is an adjective, adjective के बाद you have to put infinitive। He is unable to do this work। You cannot say he is unable doing this work, this is wrong। You always put infinitive after unable। I am anxious to know my result। It is necessary to learn English। It is necessary, learning English is wrong। It is wonderful to have true friends। It is wonderful, having true friends is wrong। Okay, so that you should know। So I have made basically now, guys, just whatever I have written in these slides now, just focus only on that, more than sufficient।
Ma'am, can you read the verb one? The attract, the verb, the infinitive. This, yes. Which word? Advise. Force.
Advise,
More.
force, persuade, encourage, want, allow, instruct, order, request, ask, want, command, expect, invite, tell, permit, appear। इन सारी verbs के साथ इंद्रानी you have to put the infinitives। So अब इसका practice कैसे करेंगे ना, you have to make one sentence, एक sentence बनाना, then you will know।
Yes.
Or you have to keep into your mind कि if I have to use this word, I only use the infinitives। Infinitive and gerunds both but different meaning। Like for example, हाँ ये मैं sentence बता रही थी, लिखो जरा 2 sentences एक बारी। I stopped to drink water and I stopped drinking water। अब जैसे stop है, forget है, ये कुछ verbs ऐसे हैं जिनके साथ gerund भी आ सकता है, जिनके साथ infinitive भी use कर सकते हैं। You can also use gerund, you can also use infinitive। But if you use with these verbs, the meaning is entirely different। Meaning is entirely different। Like for example, I stopped to drink water, I stopped drinking water। What is the meaning of first sentence? I stopped to drink water।
Same, ma'am. Meaning is same.
Nahi, meaning is not same।
No, I stopped to drink water means I have I stopped someone to drink water।
I stopped to drink water का मतलब मैं रुका किस लिए?
To drink water, I stopped to drink water।
हाँ, पानी पीने के लिए रुका, मैं रुका पानी पीने के लिए। I stopped drinking water, मैंने पानी पीना ही बंद कर दिया। मीनिंग देख रहे हो कितना डिफरेंस है। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस का मीनिंग है आई स्टॉप टू ड्रिंक वाटर का मतलब मैं रुका पानी पीने के लिए। आई स्टॉप ड्रिंकिंग वाटर का मतलब हो गया मैंने पानी पीना ही बंद कर दिया। Action is not happening anymore। I forgot to open the door, I forgot opening the door। Entirely meaning is different। बताओ जरा, I forgot to open the door का मतलब क्या हुआ?
मतलब
I forgot to open the door। What is the meaning of this sentence?
मैंने दरवाजा खोलना भूल गई, मैं दरवाजा खोलना भूल गई।
हाँ, I forgot to open the door. Suppose करो कोई आ रहा है but I forgot to open the door. मैं दरवाजा खोलना ही भूल गई, वो बाहर खड़ा रहा. I forgot opening the door. क्या मतलब हुआ?
How to open the door.
How to open the door. मतलब मे बी उसका कोई की लॉक सिस्टम होगा, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा कि कैसे उसका खोलना है. एक्शन ही नहीं मैं हैपनिंग कर पा रही. How to open the door.
Then I stopped to drink water.
Yes, Ruby, what you are saying?
Hello.
Yes, yes.
I
Ruby.
stopped to drink
उसकी
water.
जो फर्स्ट का मीनिंग क्या है? I stopped to drink water.
हाँ, मैं रुकी पानी
I
पीने
stopped.
के लिए. हाँ, मैं रुकी
अच्छा.
पानी पीने के लिए. मैं रुकी पानी पीने के लिए.
पानी पीना.
I stopped drinking water. मैंने पानी पीना ही बंद कर दिया. मैंने नींबू पानी पीना शुरू कर दिया. ठीक है?
जरूरी है मैम, गर्मियों में.
हाँ, I stopped drinking water. So in this way, मतलब entirely meaning is different. So you should know these verbs. जैसे stop हो गया, forget हो गया. You should know these verbs. Only gerunds used after prepositions, as I already told you. I am looking, अब देखो, I am looking forward to meeting you. इसलिए हम यहाँ पर क्या बोलते हैं? to meeting. I am looking forward to meeting you. क्योंकि यहाँ पर ये जो to है, that acts as a preposition. So we don't say I am looking forward to meet you. We always say I am looking forward to meeting you. I have an interest in becoming a coach. I forgive you for telling the truth. My mom is scared of flying. She is thinking about trying martial arts. Always use preposition after the, always use gerunds after the prepositions.
But ma'am, sometime I forget that in and preposition to is used. I forget that rule. It's an
But
infinite.
this is very important in looking forward to, because in looking forward to, in this sentence, to is not a verb. यहाँ पर to is a preposition. So Sunil, actually a number of the students, I also did the mistake in this. I am always looking forward to meet you, because it immediately comes into my mind the infinitive verb, how to make the infinitive verb to and base verb. But that is not a to. वो ये वाला verb वाला to नहीं है, that is a preposition. और जैसे ही preposition हो गया, you have to put ing. The next is spelling rules for gerunds. That you simple है. Most verbs put ing. Mostly verbs में कैसे आपको gerunds बनाने हैं? Mostly verbs put ing. लेकिन अगर verb जो है आपका e के साथ e के साथ end हो रहा है, तो just remove e and then add ing. If the verbs that ends with e, so again what you have to do, change to, अच्छा जैसे die है, ie से अगर end हो रहा है, so what you have to do, you just remove ie and put ying. जैसे die का gerund क्या बन जाएगा? dying. तो ie को remove करके you have to put ying. Last word is written as consonant, vowel, then double the last letter plus ing. जैसे suppose करो, लास्ट वर्ड क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट भी है और वॉवल भी है. तो आपको जो लास्ट वर्ड है, जो आपको कॉन्सोनेंट है, आपको उसको डबल कर दे. जैसे बैग का क्या हो जाएगा? बेगिंग. स्विम का क्या हो जाएगा? स्विमिंग. डबल एम. रन का क्या हो जाएगा? व्हाट इज रन?
Running. How do you double an ing?
हाँ, आर यू डबल एन ing. ठीक है, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हम मिस्टेक कर देते हैं, सिंगल एन पुट कर देते हैं. नाउ गाइस, दिस इज एन असाइनमेंट. Now, what do you have to do? I have written verbs in bracket. Now, you yourself check whether you have to put in infinitive form or in gerund form. Okay? I am giving you 20 seconds time, guys. Please write down in your notebook.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, chalo, let's start with Ruby. Ruby, read the first sentence.
The lawyers wanted that meet with his client.
हाँ,
To meet, ma'am.
to meet with his client. The lawyer wanted to meet with his client. Very good. So want के बाद लिख लो infinitive. Want के बाद लिखो infinitive. Okay. Yes. Padma.
Yes, ma'am. Johnson needs to study more.
Yes. Johnson needs to study more. So need के बाद भी लिखो infinitive. Indrani, we love dash go to parties.
We love to go to parties.
We love to go to parties is also right, and we love going to parties is
Going to
also
parties
right.
is also,
Yes.
yes.
So write down,
Both.
write down. Love के साथ you can use both. Gerund भी आप use कर सकते हो और आप infinitives भी use कर सकते हो. With the verb love. Love के साथ दोनों आ जाएंगे. Both are right. Sunil. Unmute Sunil.
Dislikes eating vegetables.
Rita dislikes
Eating vegetables.
eating vegetables. Very good. Dislike के word के साथ always you have to put gerund. Archana.
Bob avoided to hit the cyclist.
Bob avoided hitting the cyclist. So avoid के साथ write down gerund. Avoid के साथ write down gerund. Guys देखो ये तो जितना ज्यादा practice करोगे ना उतना ज्यादा आएगा. Now अभी सिर्फ right now इतना भी verb समझ लो. Avoid के साथ write down ing. Gerunds. Padma, number
Yes, ma'am. Number
6.
Number 6. Mohan asked to be invited.
Yes, very nice. Mohan asked to be invited. Ask के word के साथ you always put to be. Sorry, infinitives. Ruby, number 7.
My friend mentioned to have copies for sale.
Mention के बाद Ruby always you have to put ing.
Yes,
Having.
My friend mentioned having puppies for sale. Sunil.
Infinite. He doesn't like to walk in rain.
He doesn't like to walk in rain is also right. He doesn't like
Walking in rain.
in rain
Walking
is
in-
also right. So write on the second verb like. Like के साथ आप दोनों use कर सकते हो. Infinitive भी और gerunds भी. Both are same. Meaning is same. Next, Archana.
It's all easy to fall behind in
Yes, it
work.
is easy to fall. To fall because easy is an adjective. Indrani.
My friend and I enjoy to go to the beach or going to the beach. Enjoy.
Enjoy के साथ क्या आता है इंद्रानी?
Enjoy के साथ enjoy to.
Going.
Enjoy
Going.
gerund.
Enjoy going to the
Ah,
beach.
going to the beach. Always gerund will come
enjoy.
with enjoy.
Enjoy, yes.
ठीक है? So my friend
After
and
common,
I enjoy going to the
Enjoy.
beach.
Enjoy going to the
Going.
beach.
Enjoy, avoid, hate, mind, deny.
Huh?
Enjoy, avoid, hate, mind, deny. ing.
Yes,
Formal.
ing will come. Now guys, what you have to do, I have make another assignment, very simple assignment. इसमें क्या करना है आपको 5 questions लिखने हैं. By using both verb, gerunds भी use कर सकते हो और आप infinitives भी use कर सकते हो. Enjoy, like, love, dislike, hate. ये सारी verbs हैं. Enjoy के साथ क्या आता है आपका? What comes with enjoy?
Gerund.
Gerund.
Like के साथ
infinite.
टू इनफाइनाइट
Both,
में आ
both,
सकता है, बोथ बोथ बोथ, लव के साथ
Both.
बोथ, डिसलाइक के साथ
डिसलाइक के साथ टू इन्फिनिटिव
he doesn't dislike eating vegetables था ना एक सेंटेंस, तो डिसलाइक के साथ क्या आएगा आपका?
Like था मैम वो. He doesn't like to
he doesn't
eating
like था
vegetable.
या he doesn't he dislikes,
Like.
Rita dislikes, Rita dislike.
Dislike.
क्या भरा था सुनील, आपने ही फिल करा था इसको?
जेरंट
Yes, yes.
जिरेंट,
ईटिंग वेजिटेबल्स
ईटिंग,
Gerund, gerund.
डिसलाइक के साथ लिखो जिरेंट्स, एंड हेट के साथ बोथ, हेट के साथ बोथ, both. So now what you
That
have?
means enjoy is only gerund.
Yes, enjoy के साथ gerunds.
And
Now,
just gerund. Love and like is both.
both love, like,
Like and hate.
hate सबके साथ both है, dislike के साथ gerund है. अब now what you have to do, देखो एक क्वेश्चन मैंने लिखा है, what kind of movies do you enjoy watching? What kind of movies do you enjoy watching? देखने में बड़ा अजीब सा लग रहा होगा, क्या सेंटेंस है ना, but this is a right way. इसको आंसर कैसे करोगे? I enjoy watching action movies. I enjoy watching action movies. Now guys, please note down these verbs. Note कर लिया सबने ये verbs?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है,
Enjoy
अब
like the, हाँ.
ठीक है, इस टाइप से आपको क्वेश्चन पुट करना है, इस टाइप से आपको आंसर करना है, ठीक है. नाउ आई एम सेंडिंग यू इनटू द ब्रेकआउट रूम. ब्रेकआउट रूम में क्या करना है, आपको 5 क्वेश्चंस बनाने हैं, डिस्कस करना है अपने पार्टनर के साथ, और उसके आंसर्स भी लिखने हैं. इन विच वे द फॉर्म यू आर आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन, उसी वे में आपको आंसर करना है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड यू हैव टू यूज ऑल दीज वर्ब्स: एंजॉय, हेट, लाइक, डिसलाइक एंड लव.
मैम एंजॉय जेरन बोथ मतलब टू
बोथ मतलब दोनों, आप
ये
दोनों यूज कर सकते हो, आप जीरन भी यूज कर सकते हो, आप इन्फिनिटिव भी यूज कर सकते
माने टू टू
हाँ.
इन्फिनिट और आईएनजी.
हो. यस यस यस. 7 minutes के लिए आई एम सेंडिंग यू. 7 minutes आर मोर देन एनफ फॉर मेकिंग द अर्चना को नींद, अर्चना नींद आ रही है, इसलिए आई एम टेकिंग जस्ट 7 minutes मोर, ठीक है, बिकॉज दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. Okay guys, join.
action part in movie. Is it okay? I enjoying